All right, guys, CES 2023, checking out the AWOL Vision booth. This thing is pretty sweet. It looks like we got a couple of different things to let you guys know about. So let's go ahead and start over here. So this is their massive 150-inch screen playing Avatar in 3D. So if you guys are paying attention to it right now, you probably can't see it very well. You probably are thinking, hey man, this thing isn't very sharp. But let me let you guys know about what they did. So they did a couple of, it's basically a firmware update, and they did a whole lot of stuff. So still 3,500 lumens. This is the LTV 3500 Pro. So whenever you get your firmware update, you actually update it to Pro. Enhanced contrast, you get better black levels with it. Dolby Atmos, HDR10+, a lot of the same stuff that it used to have right down here. You also get your 3D update right there. 24 frames per second, you get filmmaker mode with the new update. PJ Link's gonna work with your control, your home automation and whatnot. And this is the little unit right down here. So check it out. And these are some of the glasses that they have real quick. And we have some people right back here enjoying the show with their glasses on. So that thing is pretty sweet. Over here we have the Vanish Laser TV. This is their all-in-one unit, right? So you have we have a gentleman over here playing some video games. Check him out. So this thing's really, really cool. The screen disappears whenever it's not playing. This thing pops out. This thing actually goes back in to the cabinet itself, so that you don't see it. Very unobtrusive, and it really really engages with your lifestyle and stuff like that. So this is their Vanish Laser TV, coming with either one of their projectors, whether it's the 2500 Plus, which is the one right up here, or the LTV 3500 Pro. So what they did with this one, they bumped up the lumens with it, so you actually get a little bit better lumen output. You also get better contrast. So as you guys are looking at this right now, we are in the absolute worst freaking environment. Look at this. All these lights back here, and then you have this image right here, right in front of you. So you're not getting the whole picture. I'm looking on the display. It's not necessarily showing real blacks, but that's kind of what you guys are going for right here. So this is the AWOL Vision 2500 Plus. This thing's pretty sweet. Again, like I was talking about, what you get is your firmware update. A lot of stuff increases with this one. You also get the ability, this is a 100-inch image, you also get the ability to go up to 150. That's what that blue outline is right there. And we got B the Installer right over here. Check him out. But that's basically it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do some walk around B-roll with B the Installer. Get it? But that's it, guys. Really appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys want to grab one of these, make sure you guys hit up projectorscreen.com. Brian over there. I'll leave links down in the description. You guys can grab one of these. Catch you next time.